Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are embarking on an incredible 21-day hiking tour through the captivating wonders of Switzerland. Join us as we explore one of the most stunning countries in the world where every turn unveils a breathtaking masterpiece of nature and culture. Public transport was our main mode of transportation. Before our travel, we purchased a half-fare travel card and downloaded the SBB mobile app. I will be sharing this tour in two parts. In this episode, Bernese Highlands. In the next episode, St. Gallen and Appenzell region, plus Liechtenstein. Followed by Basel region, plus Colmar in France, and finally Zurich, Sark and Steus. We landed in Zurich at 8:15 a.m., bought a point-to-point train ticket to Grindelwald, and took a short break at Bern station for lunch, before reaching our final stop. The next day, we headed to the first Bonn station nearby and boarded a cable car to Grindelwald first. This small summit, also known as the Top of Adventure, offers stunning panoramic views and a wide range of thrilling activities. We decided to take one of the most popular walking trails which led us to the beautiful Lake Bachalpsee. The trail is 3.1 kilometers, about 50 minutes walk one way. On day 3 of our trip, we walked to Glacier Canyon. The walkway was spectacular, taking us deep into the 1 km long gorge, surrounded by 300-meter high rock walls. We spent the rest of the day exploring nearby Grindelwald. Day 4 was a hiking day at Mannlichen, a 2,343-meter high mountain that offers a panoramic view of the Jungfrau region. To get there, take a bus or train to Grindelwald terminal and then transfer to a gondola at Mannlichen Gondelbahn. Our first hike was a 25-minute royal walk to the summit of Mannlichen, which offers one of the best viewpoints for the famous Eiger, Monch, and Jungfrau mountains, and a beautiful view of the Lauterbrunnen valley. Our second hike was a 1 hour 20 minutes walk from Mannlichen to Stechelberg on the Panorama trail. This 5.4 kilometers long, easy and mostly downhill trail provides breathtaking views of both the Lauterbrunnen valley and the mountain peaks of Eiger, Monch, and Jungfrau. At the end of the trail is Stechelberg station. The next day, we took a train to Iseltwald, a small fishing village situated on the southern shore of Lake Brienz, one of the most stunning lakes in Switzerland. We then started our hike along the shore of Lake Brienz, following an almost flat path through a shady forest with supposedly stunning lake views, but the weather wasn't good that day. At last, we arrived at the Giessbach waterfall, which tumbles down 14 terraces, plunging over 500 meters into Lake Brienz. At the nearby boat terminal, we took a ferry ride to Brienz station for our return trip to Grindelwald. The next morning on day 6, we said goodbye to Grindelwald and headed to our next destination, Murren, a Carefree mountain village accessible only by cableway. Situated in the Swiss Alps, Murren is surrounded by mountains, forests, and vast meadows. It sits on top of an 800-meter high cliff from Lauterbrunnen Valley in the Jungfrau region. That day, we also explored Gimmerwald, a small Carefree village just 2.2 kilometers away from Murren. On day 7, we hopped onto a cable car from Murren to the summit of Schilthorn. Perched at an impressive altitude of 2,970 meters, Schilthorn offers unparalleled panoramic views of the surrounding peaks, including the iconic Eiger, Monch, and Jungfrau. Schilthorn also boasts the Trail Walk, a steel walkway with glass panels hanging on the edge of the cliff. It's an exhilarating experience that combines breathtaking views with an adrenaline rush. But the weather wasn't good that day. Thereafter, we took a funicular to Allmendhubel, a small mountain in Murren. It is an ideal place for families and leisure seekers, with its panorama restaurant and flower park playground. Allmendhubel is also a starting point for numerous hikes. We decided to take the hike from Allmendhubel to Murren village. On day 8, we went for a hike from Murren to Lauterbrunnen, a village in one of the most impressive trough valleys in the Alps, between gigantic rock faces and mountain peaks. We continued hiking through the Lauterbrunnen valley and towards Stechelberg. Nestled in a stunning valley, Lauterbrunnen is surrounded by majestic mountains and waterfalls. There are 72 waterfalls, the most famous being the Staubbach Falls. At Stechelberg station, we took a cable car back to Murren. On day 9, we left Murren and headed to Kandersteg, a picturesque alpine village. Before arriving at Kandersteg, we made a brief stop at Spiez, a picturesque town on Lehmann, for lunch and exploration. The following day, we went on a hike to Oeschinensee, a stunning mountain lake which is also recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The hiking trail commences at Kandersteg Oeschinensee Grindelwald. Unfortunately, the weather wasn't favorable on that particular day. When we reached the lake, it was shrouded in mist and not visible. On a clear day, you can enjoy these views. We have come to the end of the first 10 days of our trip. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the remaining 11 days of our adventure coming soon to our channel.